What's up everyone, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to create a dynamic GitHub stats on your GitHub Readme profile. So let's start our video. So first thing, you have to create a GitHub Readme profile. To do that, just go to repos, create a new repo, name this repo as same as your username, GitHub username. In my case it's Curious Grids. So okay, just add a readme. Okay, now our GitHub readme profile is ready. So click on edit and just copy and paste this URL. I'm gonna put this in the description, so don't worry. In this you have to write your name, username, GitHub username here. So Curious Grids, and yes, it's ready. So if we check our GitHub stats, boom, it's here. The GitHub stats are so important because they show your work, your overall open source contributions. So if you want to customize these stats or change the themes, you just have to change the theme name here. I'm going to put all the theme names in the description. And also, if you want to check out the original repo, you can check this repo, the original repo of this project. So you can make any modifications, and that's it. So if you guys like this video, please thumbs up and do subscribe to Curious Grids. I will come up with cool videos, so stay tuned and happy learning.